Why gratitude, they gotta be right. Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Boring. Excuse me. I swear. Excuse me. But wait. Excuse me. We're good. It's a good day. One for me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You always get a fool. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Good, my friend. It's no good. Excuse me. I'm not even drinking soda and I'm still burping. Excuse me. And you guys get what you want, I get what I want. Anxiety. Excuse me. But excuse me. Follow.